Good morning. Good morning, sir. How are you all? Right, sir. Okay, today let us discuss about the case study of human diseases, particularly about the cancer. All of you are aware about the cancer, right? Yes, sir. Okay. Do you know what do you mean by case study? Can you say what do you mean by case study?
Sir, if the patient will be
Okay, no problem. A case study is a complete analysis about the disease because here we are going to discuss about cancer. Okay. Can you define cancer?
Yes, sir. Cancer is a group of disease. It can damage our tissues and other organs, and it can also spread to other body parts like cancer, bacteria.
Okay, for example, cancer means that it is a disease which will grow, means suddenly. It will impact the human body and it will lead very quick towards death. Okay, so we have to be more aware about cancer. Okay, can you say what are the causes how cancer occurs?
Sir, awareness is one of the reason. Lack of awareness is one of the reasons, sir. For example, if the person who went to the outside shop, there is a polythene cover with a lack of heat also affect the causes, sir.
Okay, nice. Here, no, because it is a case study, let us consider one of our relatives is affected by cancer. Okay, and with that story of their disease, we can aware about the cancer and we can identify what are the root cause of the cancer and we can analyze the prevention and treatment of the cancers. Okay, this is our case study. Okay, whose relative is affected by cancer? Your relative. What kind of cancer it was?
Stomach cancer, which is called gastric carcinoma.
Okay.
Mainly caused due to acid flux in stomach.
Okay. Okay. What was the reason?
She's an aged person. Also, she's affected due to not eating regularly. So, few other conditions cause the disease.
Okay. So, did they identify in the early stage or the later stage?
It's a later stage.
Okay. The purpose is many of them are not aware in the early stages. If we aware the cancer in the early stage, we can easily avoid and we can cure it immediately. There are a lot of methodologies to cure the cancer. Many of us are not aware about that. That leads us towards death. And also, cancer is not only affecting the aged people; it is affecting even small kids too. Okay, sometimes if they are taking fast food often, using how the Santosh told about the polythene, like plastic usages, they may cause cancer. Okay, can you say something about it?
Sure, sir. Actually, whenever we talk about cancer, people normally think about tumors. But actually, there are two types of tumors. One is the benign one, the other one is called as the malignant tumor. So, the benign tumors are actually non-cancerous. And for example, we can say, for example, the fibroids uterus is actually benign one. And it is not cancerous, it can be removed and it does not spread throughout the body. Actually, the process of spreading of the cancerous cell from one tissue to another tissue is known as metastasis. This benign tumor doesn't have the capability of metastasis, whereas the malignant one, such as the blood cancer or bone cancer, these are actually cancerous cells. And what it does is, firstly, there is an abnormal growth inside any kind of organ, and this abnormal growth begin to transfer to the surrounding tissue, that is the process of metastasis, and can actually pass through the bloodstream or lymphatic fluids, and that is how the malignant tumor occurs.
Hopefully, we know about how the difference between the tumor as well as cancer. Okay, what is your opinion about the cancer?
So, the cancer
patients get. The first treatment was a surgery, the cell removed from the body, which can make the patients easily to alive. And the second one is chemotherapy, is a drug to kill the cancer cell. And the next one is radiotherapy. Radiotherapy is in high energy rays like X-ray rays are targeted in the cancer cell to remove the cancer cell.
Okay, thank you so much. We can conclude our case.